So here's how the YouTube algorithm actually work in 2026, and here's what you need to do or apply on your own YouTube channel to grow your YouTube channel faster. So the thing is, the YouTube algorithm is actually pushing small creators to millions of views, thousands of views, even hundreds of views, and that's because of due to these two things. Number one, your click-through rate, and number two, your average view duration, which is your AVD. I'm going to be explaining these two main things, and if you can be able to apply this to improve this on your video, you start seeing changes in your view count, your subscriber count, and also your watch time, which matters a lot. So without wasting much time, let's get into the main topic. I don't want to make this video long, very short. So your click-through rate is your thumbnail, your title, those two things, those two main things is what make people click your video. If your um, thumbnail is very good, catchy, people are going to click on it. If your title also is good, when they see your thumbnail, they'll read the title. Your title and thumbnail to tell people what your video is all about, what they are going to expect in your video, and immediately they click on your video. Your hook also matter. Your hook is just like very brief introduction of what the video is all about, what they are going to expect in that video. You can mention their problem, their pain point, and also show a screen record of maybe the result of after that thing is being solved. So then advise them to keep watching so that they won't leave about 2 to 3 minutes watching your video, because if your video is about 5-10 minutes long and they leave for about before 2 to 3 minutes, your video is going to affect your video, because the average view duration is going to be very low. So you need to hit that 50% attention rule. 50% retention rule is basically, if your video is 10 minutes long, viewers need to watch at least 5 minutes of your video, so you hit the 50% retention rules. So if you can be able to make people click on your video and also grab their attention, which is your hook, and hook them to stay on your video, to watch your video, YouTube is going to promote your video to more people, because it will shows like that's a good signal. Let me promote this video to more people. Since this small set of people like it, maybe other set of people will like it. Promote it. Maybe YouTube suggests your video to about 10 people, 10 of them or 7 of them click your video. They watch it to about, they hit the 50% retention rule. Then the algorithm is going to push your video to more set of people again, maybe about 20. If those 20, out of those 20, 15 click, watch, enjoy, is going to push them to 50, 100, 500, 1000, 10,000, and beyond. So that is the truth about the YouTube algorithm in 2026. There's no secret sauce. If you can be able to make people click on your video, keep people to watch your video, no matter who you are, YouTube is going to promote your video. Yes, YouTube is going to promote your video. And some tips you can apply on your video to keep people watching your video is editing. You can just edit your video, add background music, and also show some animation, flashy animation, but it's not advisable for people building businesses. And but if you want to do, if you are okay with editing, you can just apply it on your video. It's going to also help people keep people on your video, and also increase your watch time. Yeah, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That being said, love you guys, peace.